What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Curve Card. Curve is a revolutionary payment card that consolidates all your debit and credit cards into one. With Curve, you can enjoy seamless spending, enhanced security, and powerful financial insights all from a single card. Now, let's talk about some of its features and benefits. Rewards. The Curve card offers a rewards program that allows users to earn cashback or points on their purchases. Depending on the Curve subscription plan, users can earn up to 1% cashback on eligible transactions. This can be a valuable benefit for those who want to maximize the rewards they earn on their everyday spending. The rewards program is designed to be easy to use and understand, making it simple for Curve card holders to track and redeem their earnings. Go back in time. One of the standout features of the Curve card is the Go Back in Time functionality. This unique feature enables Curve card holders to change the payment card used for a transaction up to 30 days after the purchase was made. This provides greater flexibility and control over your spending, allowing you to optimize your payments and take advantage of different card benefits or rewards programs. Whether you've made a purchase on the wrong card or simply want to shift the transaction to a different account, the Go Back in Time feature gives you the power to do so. Travel benefits. When traveling abroad, the Curve card offers a range of benefits to help users save on costs and simplify their payment experience. Curve provides fee-free overseas spending on weekdays with limits, which can help users avoid the foreign transaction fees typically charged by banks and credit card providers. Additionally, the Curve card supports chip and PIN transactions globally, ensuring a seamless payment process no matter where you are in the world. These travel-focused features make the Curve card an attractive option for those who frequently venture outside their home country. Fronted. The Curve Fronted feature allows users to make purchases on credit cards that are not normally accepted for certain transaction types, such as paying rent or utility bills. This can be particularly useful for maximizing rewards or managing cash flow. By enabling users to use their credit cards in situations where they may not typically be accepted, Fronted can help Curve cardholders optimize their spending and take advantage of the benefits offered by their various payment cards. Flex. The Flex feature on the Curve card enables users to spread the cost of purchases over time, turning them into installment plans. This can be a valuable tool for budgeting and managing larger expenses. By allowing users to pay for purchases in smaller, more manageable installments, Flex can help alleviate the financial burden of significant purchases and provide greater flexibility in managing personal finances. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One notable drawback of the Curve card is that American Express cards are not supported. This may be a significant limitation for those who rely heavily on their American Express cards for rewards or other benefits. When using the Curve card, users may lose the protection offered by Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act. This legislation provides additional protection for credit card purchases between £100 and £30,000, making the retailer and card issuer jointly liable if something goes wrong. By using the Curve card instead of a credit card directly, users may forfeit this valuable consumer protection. Curve does impose fees in certain situations, such as when users exceed their spending limits or withdraw cash from ATMs. While these fees may be avoidable by staying within the card's limits, it's essential for users to be aware of them and factor them into their financial planning. The Curve Card offers a unique and innovative approach to personal finance management, consolidating multiple payment cards into a single, versatile solution. While there are a few potential drawbacks to consider, the card's range of features, including rewards, travel benefits, and flexible payment options, make it an attractive option for those seeking to simplify and optimize their spending. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.